Imagine you're walking through a field 10,000 years ago. You see a giant animal with horns, weighing over 1,000 pounds. And your very first thought is, I wonder what's inside those. Seriously, who was the first person to milk a cow? Because cows don't exactly come with instructions. At some point, one human looked at a huge, unpredictable animal and decided to squeeze its udders. Everyone else was probably standing nearby thinking, he's about to die. But instead, white liquid came out. Now here's the weird part. The first people probably weren't milking cows to drink the milk themselves. Many historians believe they were trying to feed orphan babies after their mothers couldn't produce enough milk. It was survival, not breakfast. But there was one problem. Most adults back then couldn't even digest milk. Drinking it often meant stomach pain, cramps, and a very bad day. So why didn't people stop? Because over thousands of years, the people who could digest milk stayed healthier during famines, had more children, and passed that ability on. In other words, your body may be able to drink milk today because one extremely curious person annoyed a cow thousands of years ago. And cows weren't even the first choice. People also milked goats, sheep, camels, horses, yaks, basically anything that looked patient enough to stand still. So the identity of the first person to milk a cow is lost forever. But somewhere in history, one brave, slightly suspicious human grabbed an udder and accidentally changed breakfast forever.